Want more DoorDash orders? Focus on hotspots, high demand areas shown on the app's heat map. Aim for 80% plus uptime in these zones. Maintain a high acceptance rate, ideally 95% or higher. This avoids penalties like reduced order visibility. Respond to offers quickly, within 10 seconds, and use auto accept for routine deliveries. A low acceptance rate below 90% can lead to fewer offers, as the algorithm prioritizes reliable dashers. Scout hotspots in off-peak times to learn prime locations. Peak Pay offers boosted earnings during high-demand windows, helping you earn significantly more per delivery. Monitor the DoorDash app for peak surge alerts that signal bonus opportunities. Schedule your shifts around predicted peaks, such as weekends or holidays, when demand is highest. Bundle multiple orders for efficiency to complete more deliveries in less time. Enable notifications for instant bonus opportunities to stay updated on peak pay. Consider using an electric vehicle for additional incentives and priority access to hotspots. Success on DoorDash hinges on balancing speed, reliability, and strategic positioning to maximize your earnings.